It's been a busy year for the Oregon Department of Justice, filing more than 50 lawsuits against the federal government.
Today, the Attorney General told lawmakers how those legal battles are protecting Oregonians. Fox 12's Abby Davis watched that hearing. So, Abby, what did you learn?
Well, the AG, along with an attorney, walked the Senate Judiciary through some of the biggest cases from the last year. They say the results are worth far more than what these cases cost. SNAP benefits, education funding, and disaster preparation grants, all put in jeopardy by the Trump administration for various reasons, including fraud and corruption concerns. This past year, the Oregon Department of Justice fought back.
You have an incredible staff and attorneys at the Oregon Department of Justice working on behalf of all Oregonians, and during the past year, they have been working their tails off.
Attorney General Dan Rayfield highlighted that work during a Senate Judiciary Committee meeting Tuesday.
In a lot of these cases, some things that you'll remember.
He told lawmakers they've been involved in 53 lawsuits against the federal government over the last year or so.
We have a very simple analysis, which is, are Oregonians being harmed? If Oregonians are being harmed, is there a violation of the Constitution or a statute or the APA? And if the answer is yes, and the state has standing, we move forward. And because we keep such a sterile analysis of how we move forward, when you look at all of those cases, right, 53, that's a ton. When you look at all of them, in almost all of them where we have sought immediate relief, we're winning those cases. Or what is unique, in a lot of those cases, the federal government is just backing off and the money starts flowing again.
The AG says they've spent about $3.5 million on these cases. But he told us it's money well spent when you look at the return on investment.
When we tabulate, we have a spreadsheet where we look at each lawsuit and kind of monitor the money that otherwise would be held in jeopardy by the federal government. And to the tune of about $4.6 billion, the lawsuits that we filed are working to make sure that money continues to flow into this state.
Rayfield says he has the support of the public when it comes to these lawsuits. He claims of the 15,000 people who contacted his office about them, 95% were in favor. Reporting in studio, Abby Davis, Fox 12 Oregon.